Hello, in this video I want to show you how to spawn items in Rimworld. To do this, first we'll need to open the development mode by clicking on the options right here. Then there's a development mode in general that we can activate. When it's activated, you will see a toolbar on top of your screen. Click on Open Debug Actions menu, then find Spawn Thing or Spawn Full Thing Stack. If you select Spawn Thing, it will spawn only one specific item. In this case, we can spawn a club. Or if we select the full stack, it will spawn an entire stack of an item, in this case cat meat 75. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.